Hi, I'm Amanda Beaton, and I'm a grad admission counselor here at Lasell University. I also have received my master's degree this past May, and today I would like to take you on a tour of Lasell and highlight all of the resources that are available to you as a grad student. So this is the Edwards Student Center, which houses the dining hall as well as our mailroom for those who are living on campus, as well as Career Services, which is a resource available to all graduate level students. The Career Services Department helps graduate level students in terms of career planning, from resume review to the initial job search and even writing cover letters. This is the Science and Technology Center. For those of you who are taking classes in the hybrid format, you'll meet from 6:30 p.m. till 9 p.m. every other week throughout the course of a traditional 16-week semester. The STC also houses the Lasell bookstore, IT, and Starbucks. Behind me is Winslow Academic Center, which houses Brennan Library as well as the Academic Achievement Center. For those of you who don't know, the Academic Achievement Center is accessible online or on campus and essentially provides you with the resource of a tutor to help you with coursework. Welcome to Arno Campus Center. This building houses the International Student Services Office. Our Director of International Student Services can provide insight to topics ranging from visa requirements to academic requirements, and even provides assistance in terms of OPT or CPT. Additionally, Arno is also a great place to grab a bite to eat, as it also houses our on-the-go dining spot called 1851. Spence House is where our graduate students who would like to have an on-campus experience live. Both large and small single bedrooms are available year-round. In addition to having the on-campus experience, another benefit of graduate housing is not having to pay a first or last month's rent in addition to a broker fee. For anyone who is interested, please apply under the Tuition and Aid tab on lasell.edu/grad. Here we are back at Bancroft. Thanks so much for taking the time out of your day to join us during this virtual welcome. I hope that you had learned something about all the resources available to grad students. If you have any questions or would like additional information, please visit us at lasell.edu/grad. Thank you.